Hey everybody, I'm Molly from Bell Farms. If you're new to the channel, we are potato, sweet corn, and grain corn farmers. Welcome back to the second day of cleaning out the cooler and cleaning out the case van. So yesterday we filled the cooler, well, we cleaned the cooler, then we filled the cooler with all the potatoes that were in the case van, and today we are emptying the case van. So what's left in the case van are bulkheads, and we have some of the culverts in there, and I've got to sweep up the floor and get rid of any of the potatoes or any other debris that's on the floor, because we're going to start pressure washing in there right away. So yesterday went really well, and we're hoping today goes well too. We're getting started after lunch today, so we probably won't work as long, but I don't have to leave today, so who knows? We'll see what's going to happen. Okay guys, so I am bringing over the floor cleaner, and I just brought over the pressure washer. So we're going to head over to the case van. You can do it! Okay. All right, that's situated. Shane's taking the bulkheads down. He has already removed the bulkheads here. And this is where that I-beam was in the center, if you guys saw us putting up the bulkheads. Pressure washers over here. All right, so I already started rounding up the mouse traps here. Okay, this one gets crunched, just like most of them get crunched, but I'll round those up. More traps. All right. I think there's probably more on the other end of the building, but all right, guys, so you can see this building is empty. There's no more potatoes in here, no more tote bags in here. And we are gonna get to work cleaning. So I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. So that's the stuff I am getting off the floor. Just loose potatoes and any debris. All the dirt is gonna come out when we wash the walls and the floor. So we're going into the plenum. And I'm gonna open up these doors here. So I don't know if any of you guys saw the video when we were talking about this building, but these doors are used to keep the potatoes from rolling in to this plenum area when we've removed the culverts. When I open this door, I can just feel the humidity coming in here. It's actually quite cool in this area, but we've got the doors open and we're gonna start pressure washing. So it is going to get warm in here pretty quickly. Okay. All right. I feel like I'm gonna get some crap about being in my bathing suit, but guess what? I don't care. This is how I dress. This is what I do. It's hot. I'm pressure washing. So anybody who's offended, just don't watch. Keep your comments to yourself. So all of these are going to come out of here. These big, tall culverts. Okay. So I don't know if you guys remember, you probably have seen this if you've been watching our videos for a little while. When we drive around the building, you can see them piled up outside here. So this is the back end, and this is where we have the culvert stacked and the I-beam, and the black culverts are for old storage. So right here, this is where we're gonna have our waste conveyor coming out and a dump truck here for catching all of the cull or waste corn we're gonna feed to animals. So Shane is working on the bulkheads. I'm sweeping up, and culverts will come out next. So now I'm looking for a diesel can so I can put diesel in the pressure washer. And I found a gas can. Or maybe Ray's got one. Check in with Ray. Ray always has diesel. Ray always has everything in his service truck. One of the nice things. So Ray and Dave are filling the dump truck with corn. I think Dave might have a delivery, but we also need to fill up that holding tank there so that we can bag some whole corn for the store. Yep. I see Dave's in the tractor over there, so they're gonna get that going. Yep, they got the auger going already. All right, guys, well, I'm not gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. All right, that should be good for a little while. So with this pressure washer, it has, I don't know what you want to call this thing. It's this control. It's kind of like a oil furnace. So when your oil furnace runs out of oil, if that has ever happened to anybody, you have to reset this. So this is the same way. So let me just read the instructions here. All right, guys, so now it is time to start pressure washing. And he's starting. I'll move this forklift out of the way, but I just want to show you guys. So, ooh, nice breeze. This is what we're washing off the walls. So the potatoes, they leave dirt all over the walls, and they go up to about there. And the floor has lots of dirt on it. When we're done with this, all this dirt stuff will come off. Sometimes there's some staining that stays on this foam. And this is that insulation that controls the temperature of this building. I think I said in another video that they're like, I don't know, this is like 5 or 6 inches thick. But we're gonna use the pressure washer, and a little bit of purple stuff is what we use. It's biodegradable, but it's like a Maine-made product. So we use that to clean the walls and the floor. Then I'm gonna use the floor cleaner and the squeegee, just kind of like we did in the cooler, but we're gonna do this whole room. And before you know it, this will be clean too. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get to work, and I'll bring you guys along so you can see the progress. right, guys, so Shane is hard at work behind me. This really isn't too much of a two-person job. I mean, I can squeegee a little bit and, you know, help keep the water under control, but at this point, I'm just kind of spinning my wheels. We need to do the floor a little bit more, so I am going to make better use of my time, and I'm going to work on some assessments. And what we'll do is, well, Shane's going to keep pressure washing for a little while. So what I'm going to do is I will give you guys an update in the next video of how far we got. And this will be done in no time, really. But I'm really impressed. We're just like making it happen this year, which is great. And I haven't even got a chance to pressure wash anything, which that day is coming. But yeah. So I'm going to work on some assessments that I have to do, and I'll give you guys an update later. But I wanted to say thank you to everybody who's watching. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and share the videos if you really like them, and please subscribe.